Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Clayton J.
And my name's Alex.
And today we are at Adventureland, and we're bringing you guys with for a little vlog. Don't know how much we will record, but we'll try our best to record some. So let's go.
I got my shades on, guys.
Hey, there you go.
11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Oh my gosh, they did kind of redo things out.
Yep.
I like going into the stores. We should go over.
Oh yeah, we had ice cream here last time.
You're just adding music.
Maybe, maybe not.
Oh, they're gonna hear the time right
Oh, look, they repainted everything. Can you tell?
Yeah, it looks like right now.
Look at that. Smells like popcorn.
Oh my god, funnel cake. We can't come in. I feel like
Look at that.
I know they have their people back who come and walk around in hot dogs since COVID's over. So it is going to be a little different because we haven't been here since COVID. Then we can get some Main Street ice cream.
That's where we went last time. What?
Gotcha. That is good.
Look at that. That's right there. That one's the monster. I've been on it. Allison has never been on it.
I'm going to go on it today.
It does look scary. I haven't been on it in a long time. It's been like 3-4 years probably since I've been on it. You might.
Because they were prescription boxes. They weren't just a cheaper.
Your face, that's awesome.
Sorry about that, but I could take any.
Oh, shit.
That's scary. That's very scary.
I'm a little scared, actually.
Yeah. Holy crap.
Actually, I don't feel safe.
Okay, I'm scared. You stay on your end, I'll stay on my end.
We're not even at the top. I'm going to look down.
Holy mother of
Even looking
pearl.
at my side. I'm so scared.
Oh, we're at the top.
I'm so scared. I don't like this.
Dang, this is actually kind of scary. I see downtown Des Moines when we go all the time. Right over there, downtown Des Moines.
I weigh more than these on my side. This is cool. Like, look at everyone else. They're not moving.
Yeah, we're moving. This is above Adventureland.
I literally want to go home.
Hey, sir, you know that you can jump out by choice on this ride?
That's crazy.
I think I like the skydiving.
Oh my god.
Please don't. Oh my god, that's kind of scary.
I'm actually terrified right now. I'm scared to lean all the way. Ooh.
You
see that?
need to sit down.
Right hot!
Oh my god. Can I just please stop?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Allison, what's up?
It's so crazy how many there are.
Yeah, those are catfishes.
Look how big that one is.
Ooh, that's probably the daddy catfish.
Look how baby that one is.
Oh yeah, there's a lot. We're gonna go get something to eat here, which we literally
have to share.
we literally plan not to because it's expensive here, but we're hungry. And then after that, we're actually gonna go over to the pool area. All right, guys. So this is what we got. We're at the Coca-Cola Cafe, I think it's called, or something like that. We just got I got a hamburger and fries. She got a cheeseburger and fries. And it was like 11 bucks each one, so it was like 22 bucks together, which is actually decent amount of money. The only thing is, it's literally just a burger. Like, I'm literally just eating a burger. At a real restaurant, I would get I would get onions, lettuce, tomatoes, but I mean, I think it's a decent price. Yeah, we don't have to drive anymore, so it's a decent price.
I have buffalo all over my body.
All right, guys, now we are at the water park. Here it is. Oh yeah. I don't know how much we're gonna film here because obviously I think my phone is waterproof, but I don't trust that. So yeah, there it is. Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up, guys? So we're pretty much done with the pool. The pool, I think it's like $4.50. No, it's $5.50 right now. Yeah, pool closes at 6. Oh, she got lost her baby. Holy crap! Look at that, the wave pool, guys. I just want to show you guys the wave pool really quick. Look how crazy the wave pool is. It's pretty cool. Allison and I both about drowned in it like 50 times. Right now she's in the middle of grabbing I don't know what you call it, but she's going down one of the slides, and I'm gonna record her, and then she's gonna record me down the slide, and then this closes at 6, so it's gonna be closed after that. Just the pool part, and then I think the whole place closes at 8, so we're gonna go on a couple more roller coasters, and then yeah, then go home. That's Allison right there.
Knocked the wind out of me. Okay, are you ready?
We are in the lazy river right now. That's how I get the views, just show your boobs, that's it. Allison's literally like top. When we were in the wave pool, her top came off like 8 times. Like, there was no point to even have a top at that point. I mean, my shirt literally rolled all the way up. And my pants, because my pants are a little too big, but I can tie it, you know? And it pretty much fell off the whole time. I mean, I'm wearing underwear, so it's fine, but like...
I'm gonna backflip.
Alright. Hey, look at her back float, and then this is what you do. drowned. And then you drowned her. Nope, she's right there. I think we only have like probably like a couple more minutes that we got to get out. I think I just drowned it, guys. You good? All right. Watch me swim. I only made it like 2 seconds.
See how far you can swim.
Well, I actually want to go get our bag.
Oh. You're getting sunburnt.
I did?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at my skin tone different. Alright. Literally everything's gone except our stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Everyone's out of the pool, too, look. Like, you can tell everyone's gone. Everyone's gone. So you want to swim a little bit more, or do you want to just leave?
We can go. We're good.
Alright. Well, yeah. That's it. I think this might be the end of the video. Love you guys. Thank you guys for staying and watching it. See you guys next video. Bye.